where nature meets luxury. This premium project is spread across a beautiful 30-acre land parcel surrounded by lush greenery and stunning mountain views all around. Here you will find river touch, hilltop and tabletop NA plots with beautiful 360-degree mountain views surrounded by greenery. Our project also has a lovely lake and mango trees giving you a peaceful lifestyle close to nature. और सबसे खास बात, यहाँ आपको ready to move Bali style villas भी मिल जाएंगे. Also there are many nearby attractions that make this location even more special. Discover Resort 7 km away. Ulas River 6 km away. Sakuna Bagh 7 km away. Radha Meera Charitable Trust Hospital by Anant Ambani 3 km away. Krishna Kali Mandir Trust 3 km away. Kal Navgrah Mahakali Shakti Peeth only 3 km away. Matheran Hills 20 km away. कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो हिल टॉप करजत इज परफेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू द सिटी एंड बियॉन्ड. इट्स जस्ट 21 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम करजत स्टेशन, 10 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम नेरल स्टेशन, 45 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम नवी मुंबई एयरपोर्ट एंड ओनली 80 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम मुंबई. प्लस द नेशनल हाईवे NH 548A is just 1.5 kilometer away, ensuring smooth and easy access. आपको यहाँ के क्लब हाउस में हर मॉडर्न एमिनिटी भी मिल जाएगी, फ्रॉम रिक्रिएशन टू रिलैक्सेशन, एवरीथिंग इज राइट हियर। This is truly the best option for investment or for your dream second home. For pricing and more details, feel free to call or WhatsApp us on the number given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Trending Realty for more real estate updates. Thanks for watching.